Hello everyone, welcome back to Michael Code, right? My name is Abraham William, right? First of all, I want to say thank you to all the people who has been watching all tutorial in channel, right? I want to appreciate it, guy. I appreciate all of you, right? Because uh, every tutorial I publish it, right? I seen people show up there, right? Thanks so much for that. So and I still working hard for you guys. I'm working hard because I want to give you knowledge in quick way, and also on in simple way, right? That's why I'm here, right? That's why I'm working hard for you guys, and also we can get along also, not 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 just the total on channel. We can get along, right? We get along on something one day. So uh, in fact I haven't finished yet to publish two video, right? Two video uh, about the uh, recent tutorial, right? I have done. So as soon as possible I'm going to publish them for you guys. So why I'm here today, right? Let me say first of all, it's been a long time, isn't it? It's a long time, guy. I haven't seen you for a long time. So today I'm here to talk about the Python, right? How you can use Python in your real life. That's here. That's I'm here today, right? Python is the most popular language, right? On technology today. Python is the most popular language, right? If you get along with Python, absolutely can do something, right? Whether you're a teacher, uh, 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 whether you are a teacher or you're a student or college, whatever something you want to do in this life, just you can do with Python. But but in fact, not Python itself, right? Because also Python has most popular framework like Django, like Flask, right? But I think in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can use Python with the Flask, right? Not Python itself, right? Because Python, the language, it doesn't do anything with itself. There's also other tools that can work uh, with it. So, as I said, how you can learn Python in what Python can do in your life. Python you can use it if you want to do system, you want to create system, right? Maybe for your restaurant, maybe for your store, maybe for your study, right? Or maybe for whatever something you want to do, you can create simple apps or simple apps, right? Log in, log out, something just for you. You can use Python, right? But also if you want to get if and also if if you want to get deep in language, right? If you want to get deep on language, right? I can do tutorial with the deep Python. But maybe next month, maybe in the future, I can do uh, the deep Python, right, for you guys. But this tutorial just for beginner, right? I'm gonna create simple website using Python and Flask, right? Just that's the website. Give you basic about Python, right? Give you basic about Python, how you can use Python in simple way. So just in that tutorial, before you begin on Python, or also before you begin to create your first coding with Python, first of all, you need to have a PC or maybe laptop, right? And second, right, you need to download Visual Studio Code because Visual Studio Code is a platform everyone uses it, right? And also Visual Studio Code is the most popular platform. uh, any designer, any coding, right, can write code on that apps, right? So that's the first thing you do. The second thing you need to do is you need to download Python. Maybe you don't download, or maybe download or but download Python, right? Download Python on your C, on also uh, on your device, right? You need to download the Python, right? And also other other details, right? Uh, you can learn it. You you can learn it during tutorial, right? I can explain it for you during during on tutorial, right? You can learn that. So before we begin, as I said, you need to have uh, three things: laptop or whatever PC, what something you use. And second, you need to download Visual Studio Code. Go to the channel, go to the website called visualstudiocode.com. And the second, the third thing you need to download Python, right? Python, I think Python, the last version is 3.12, 3.12, right? But me, I do have a Python on my PC. I use a version 3.11, right? But for you guys, if you watch this tutorial, right, watch tutorial, if you watch this tutorial, maybe in the future, right? Maybe you're gonna have the latest version, maybe, and then I will teach you, right? The same way I learned, the same way I know about Python, right? But I think, if you begin to learn something, whatever Python, whatever skills you want to learn, right? If you get stuck on something, please, I encourage you, please, I beg you, make break, right? Because when you begin to learn something new, right, it's hard at sometimes, it's hard at that. Just need to take breaks, right? Learn it a little bit, maybe maybe there's a main tutorial on YouTube, right, how you can use Python, right? Most of them is 3 hours, right? 3 hours, or 2 hours. I don't know, but I know. It depends of someone, right, who do or in his own way. But for me, during this tutorial, just I will do, I will make you step by step about 12 minutes or 10 minutes, right, to just to learn step by step, right? That's why I decide, right, to make Python become easy for you, right? I can do I can do the same way, the same way other people can do it, right? I can collect videos to be three 3 hours or 2 hours, but I'm not going to do that, right? I don't want you to get nervous, right, to learn Python, right? I want you to get excited, right? Any video get excited. That's the main reason I'm here, right? I want to teach you on simple way, right? But I believe by the end of this tutorial of Python, I know that, right, you can come up with something. I believe in you. You can come up with something, right? Not just Python, but